We have a wheel restore machine here in our Lexus store. We've been using it for about 3 years. Once we got the UVEye system in place, our wheel business more than doubled.
We had the wheel machine before UVEye. We had it a whole year before UVEye even entered into the room. Having UVEye just enhances it even more. When you're having that initial conversation with a guest concerning the wheels, they're looking at it on their phone or looking at it with the advisor. It's not one of those conversations that they're having after they leave the store and the advisor's calling them, hey, by the way, we noticed. You're having that right out of the gate, which has been tremendously beneficial with our guests.